In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then select while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. Close an ad, tap on Set as Default and click on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, you need to go back to the same launcher app. Click on Set as Default and tap on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!